Hey guys, this is John with MiniMotors USA. I want to explain what's going on with the pin recall for the new headset designs. This affected all Storm purchases made prior to early June. And what's going on here is this hole in the new style swing arms was a little bit tight for the pin. So when the original pin slotted in, if there was any little bit of intolerance issue, it was putting pressure on kind of the smaller weak spot of the swing arm here. So to fix this, we have these modified pins. These have 0.5 millimeter in diameter shaved out of either end. And now when the new pins slide in, there's a little bit of play in there. What that does is it puts the clamp pressure on the wide, strong part of the swing arm, as well as the wide, strong part of the lower or the higher hinge. So we're going to be swapping these out. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, to replace this pin, this is the new pin we're going to be installing. And you can see that 0.5 millimeter has been taken off each side on the diameter. To replace the pin, we're just going to need a flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, and a 3 millimeter Allen. First step, we're going to be removing the adjustment screw on the front. This is no longer needed on any of these new headset designs. So we're going to just loosen this and throw away this adjustment screw. And then to swap the pin out, we're going to take this C-clip and we're going to pop it out. So we're going to move it into the down position. And we're just going to get in there with a flathead screwdriver. And we're going to pop that C-clip. And then we're going to push this pin out. You might need to wiggle the bars a little bit to get it out. And then we're going to take the new pin and we're going to push it through the headset design. And we're going to replace the C-clip. Then you are going to be good to go. It helps with the needle nose pliers. Just get under the C-clip and snap it back into place. And then I turn the C-clip into the channel just so there's no chance of that backing out. We're going to be good to go.